No cup of tea. Hello. It's not Christmas anymore, but from the online liquidation site that I've been buying from recently, I've actually got some Christmas lights, some outdoor icicle lights. They're down here. They only cost me a few pence, but because they're returns, you never know what you're going to get. If I switch them on, it looks like they're working. And it's quite a nice effect, really. But there are some that aren't working. So I'll get them unwrapped, see what is working, what isn't working, and then see if I can fix them. This is what they are. Pimotech Meteor shower lights. Not really a lot to read. They're kind of hard to spread out on the bench, so this mess will show you they're not in the right order. But let's switch them on again. So I've got that one's not working, that one's not working, that one, these two, this one. Okay, so there's 2, 4, 6 that aren't working. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. They all seem to go off at different times, don't they? So I guess there's 6 different. So there's 18, 6 not working. So there's going to be 4 different light patterns shooting at different times, I should think. Oh, these are just 6 together. When they're in order, I'd expect them to fire in order. Okay. The power's coming in from this side and working along that way, so I'm going to start at this end. And I can see already what it is. Zoom right down on this. Can you see that that wire there isn't soldered on? I'm actually going to put this under the microscope. I'm going to switch it off. we go, that's switched off. Let's get the microscope in. So there's actually 4 wires that come in. So them 2 sold to the first one. This one is sold there. So I'm guessing that this one should be soldered to the second. Just have a quick look at one that is okay. You can see there's 2 wires soldered to that one. And hopefully you can just make out that there is, there is 2 wires coming in, and they're both soldered to that point. You got 2 wires there soldered to that point. Whereas this one, got your 2 wires coming in, but this one is soldered to nothing. Oh, this is actually quite tricky because it just moves. So one's come on, one's come off. I'll just hold that there. There we go. There we go, that's better. Yeah, that was actually a lot harder than what it should have been, because only having 2 hands and not being able to clamp this down, I needed 1 hand to keep this steady, 1 hand to hold the wire in the tweezers, and another hand to solder it, which was impossible, obviously. But got there in the end. Just pop this tube back on. There's a little bit of silicone sealant on there, so I'll replace that in a minute. Right, now I'm going to switch it back on. There we go, all working. Pull it away like that, you can see the random effect a bit better. It looked quite nice, wouldn't it? At Christmas. Okay, not too difficult. Quite happy with the result of that. They will look nice on the house at Christmas time. Simple factory fault, I think, or maybe it happened in transit, but obviously it was a faulty return this time. So if you like this sort of random repair stuff that I do, please give a little like, subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you the next time I'm in my shed. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.